In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add Contact Shortcut onto your iPhone home screen. Adding a contact shortcut to your iPhone home screen can provide quick access to frequently contacted individuals, saving time and effort navigating through your contacts. This is particularly useful for essential contacts like family members such as my mom right here, close friends, or colleagues, enabling you to initiate calls, messages, or FaceTime calls with just a tap. It streamlines communication and enhances convenience, especially in urgent situations where every second counts. To do this, simply long hold into any free space on your home screen, just like this space right here. Just long hold. So I'm first going to remove this to show you how this really works. You will then have to tap on this plus icon on your upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Contacts option. Just head into it. You will find your frequently contacted number right here. And if that's the exact number you want to add as a shortcut, just tap on Add Widget and it will get added successfully. If you wish to customize, go ahead and choose on any preferred contact and it will get added. You can add as many contacts as you wish to. That's how easy it is to add contact shortcuts on your iPhone home screen. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.